Hey everybody, in today's video we're going to be looking at how to get past the dreaded "this column has more than 10,000 unique items" limitation in Microsoft Excel. As always, I'm going to go through this pretty quick and I'm going to try and keep it as basic as possible, but if you have questions after the video you can always leave a comment and I'll try and help you out. So I've got two different sets of data here. I've got one set that's coming from this worksheet. It's got 27,626 rows of data, and I've got a second set that has 25,377 rows of data, and I'm trying to do some comparisons, get some numbers of values that exist in both of those data sets. If I click on this drop-down message, you're going to see this little error down here. It says not all items are showing. And if you click on that, that's where you get the message I showed before. It's letting you know that it's only going to limit you to 10,000 items being displayed. So if I click on this drop down, let's just say we want to look at all records that don't have a dash. I'm going to uncheck that using my check mark filters, and I'm going to click OK. And you'll notice that it's saying that there's 10,000 of my 25,377 records that don't have a dash. But that's not accurate at all. What it's doing is it's capping me out at 10,000. This is one of the silliest settings that Excel has. So how do we get past that so we're really getting valid information in our data set? I'm going to go back up here and we're going to clear that filter. Instead of using the check marks down here, when you've got large data sets of over 10,000 records, you're going to want to use a text filter. Now there are a few different ways to do this. I'm showing you how to do it using a text filter because I think it's the easiest way. So before I said uncheck this, instead I'm just going to say does not equal, and I'm going to put in my value. I could actually use multiple lines of criteria here, but I'm simply going to click OK. We're doing the same thing as what we did before. We're just doing it a different way, and you'll notice that now it's showing all of my records and my count down here. 24,091 is the true value of the number of records here that are not equal to dash. It's really simple. If you run into that 10,000 character or 10,000 row limitation, don't use the criteria down here. Use a text filter as your criteria instead, and you're going to get valid results. As always, I hope the Excel helped. Thanks for watching.